Namaste everyone. Did you all have your breakfast? Now, can you tell me why do we eat food?
Get energy.
To get energy. Next, another one point. Why do we eat food?
To get energy.
Only to get energy.
Grow.
Okay, when we eat food, we get energy to do what? To work, to do different activities. Okay? So I am going to just give you a biscuit. Please follow my instructions as I give you the biscuits.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please don't eat the biscuits later. What is this? Biscuit. Is it dry or is it wet? It is dry. Now I have given you a biscuit in your hand and you're going to eat this biscuit. So by eating this biscuit, can you guess the topic which we are going to learn today? Can you guess the topic which we are going to learn today by eating this biscuit? So we are going to learn the digestion part. Digestion of food. So can I proceed further?
Yes.
Now I want all of you to just bite the biscuit. Just bite the biscuit. Please don't swallow, just bite. Okay. When you had your biscuit in your hand, it was dry. When it went inside your mouth, what happened to the biscuit?
It became wet.
It became wet. How did it become wet? Did we pour water?
No.
How? Great force to
We don't know what is saliva.
So we are going to see digestion of food. So what is digestion of food? And we are going to see what are the organs present in the digestive system. Now the first organ, first we are going to see is first keyword. Our digestion starts with the mouth. It starts with the mouth. Now, there is something present in our mouth that softens the food. That softens the food that we eat. So that is called saliva. That is called saliva. Now, once you eat the food, we are going to show a model. Once we eat the food, what happens in our mouth? What is present inside your mouth? What is present inside your mouth?
Saliva.
Other than saliva?
Teeth.
Very good. So our teeth helps us to break down the food to simpler forms. Because when you ate the biscuit, it was full, isn't it? So when you bit the biscuit, what happened? It became into small
Pieces.
and it became wet because of the presence of saliva in our mouth. So this is the mouth which has teeth present and it helps to break the food into simpler forms. The next part we are going to go is the food pipe. What is it called? Food pipe. Okay. Now, how does the food pipe help us? The food pipe helps process doesn't end over there. Now from the stomach is a J-shaped organ. What is the shape of the stomach? J-shaped organ where the food is partially digested. It is not fully digested, it is partially digested. Now from the stomach, the food moves into the small intestine. Where does the food move? To the small intestine. Now, what is the function of the small intestine? The small intestine is a coil structure. What type of structure is the small intestine? Coil structure. Now here what happens? The small intestine, it absorbs all the nutrients. What does it do? It absorbs all the nutrients and all the water. And it sends the undigested food to the large intestine. So what portion is this?
Large intestine.
It sends it to the large intestine. Now, the process doesn't end over there. From the large intestine, the food goes to the rectum. Where does it go? It goes to the rectum, where the rectum stores the undigested food. It goes to the rectum, where the rectum stores the undigested food, and from the rectum, it moves into the anus. And from the anus, the undigested food comes out. So what do you think this whole process is?
Digestive
Process
system.
of digestion. Now, why do you think everyone tells us drink enough of water? Sometimes you come to school, isn't it? My stomach is paining. First period you say my stomach is paining. Why your stomach is paining? When do you think your stomach pains?
If you are not drinking water, the digestion will not take place.
Digestion won't take place. Very good.
Something hot.
Yes. Now what happens is the food does not come out of your body. The undigested food remains in your body. So what happens? The food cannot come out. So when the food cannot come out, what happens to our internally? What happens?
It stays inside.
Yes, it will be inside our stomach and we can get even sick. So that is why they tell us to drink more water so that the process of digestion takes place. Okay. Now I am going to tell you what is the definition for the process of digestion. Now digestion is breaking complex food substance into simpler forms that is absorbed by the blood so that our body can get energy. Now the next question. Now seeing all these keywords, okay, can anyone just, we are going to see the next, that is called the flow chart. Now, can anyone tell me, can anyone come and do this flow chart? What is the first?
First it will come out.
Very good. First it will come out. Then after that,
Saliva.
Food pipe.
inside your mouth.
Food pipe.
Food pipe. Next is food pipe. Next, stomach.
Small intestine.
Small intestine. Next,
Large intestine.
large intestine. Next,
Rectum.
rectum. Next,
Anus.
so this is the flow chart for the process of digestion.
Digestion.
Okay. Now, you will see all this. Okay.
Everything.
inside our body.
Everything.
Food pipe,
Stomach,
stomach,
small intestine,
small intestine,
large intestine,
large intestine.
rectum.
Now all this is found inside our body and they are called organs of digestion. Organs of. Is it clear? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anyone wants to ask any questions? Okay, I'll ask you one question. What nutrients do you think this biscuit gives you? What nutrient does this biscuit have that you get energy?
Fiber.
Yes? Less sugar. So when you have sugar, what do? You what? To eat each other? To work.
Do homework.
Do?
Homework.
Now, your homework is, I want you to draw, you can refer your content book and draw the diagram, the process of digestion. The process of digestion. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.